Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share screen in Google Meet. So if you're in the middle of a presentation or meeting using Google Meet and want to share presentations or a Windows tab, this is what you are going to do. So first, let's say in here, I'm going to start a new meeting. Okay, so once you're in the meeting like this, if you want to share your screen, you can just here click on this option, share screen. Click on that, and here you can choose what to share in the meeting, whether it's just a Chrome tab, your Windows, or the entire screen. You can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to just go with window and I'm going to share this windows in here. So click on the one that you want to choose. Now click on share. And here it will be shown on the screen. And if you want to stop sharing, you can just click on this button. And you can repeat the same steps if you want to share screen again. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one.